In any Indian classical dance form, there are two types of hastas. One is Asamyukta Hasta and the other type is Samyukta Hasta. So let's learn 10 Asamyukta Hastas and 10 Samyukta Hastas today. So what's Asamyukta Hasta? Asamyukta Hasta is hand gestures performed by only one hand, and Samyukta Hastas, hand gestures performed and they require two hands to perform that particular hasta. We will also go through the applications of each and every hasta. So let's begin with Asamyukta Hastas first. So first we have Pataka. It has so many applications and meanings to it. For example, Pataka can be used for paper, stop, denial, oath, taking oath, leaf, road, so on and so forth. Next hasta is Tripataka. So this was Pataka and ring finger, bring it down, right angle. It's called Tripataka. This can be used for lighting a lamp, applying kumkum, and this is Pataka for mirror. Then this can be used as a crown, river bank, Pataka, Tripataka, Ardha Pataka. Looks like this. Okay. Ardha Pataka can be used to show both, like to both, to show the river bank. Here, Ardha Pataka, Kartari Mukha is like this. Okay, you split. And sometimes is also shown like curls of your hair, scissors, then flower, Kartari Mukha, Mayura is peacock. Peacock can be used to show the hair locks, apply tilak. These are not interconnected, so that's why these are still Asamyukta Hastas, even though I'm using two Asamyukta Hastas with two different hands. First five are Pataka, Tripataka, Ardha Pataka, Kartari Mukha, Mayura. Ardha Chandra comes with the name, shows moon, half moon, necklace, show waist. After Ardha Chandra, there is Arala. So for Ardha Chandra, my hand is like this. Pull both the thumb and index finger together. It's called Arala, and it is used to show if I'm drinking something. Okay, drinking poison, drinking nectar, or something like that, drinking water. Okay. After Arala, the Shukatunda is the ring finger, it comes down. And this is used to show an arrow. Shukatunda is a head of parrot. Mushti, showing power, pride. Mushti, combat, fighting, okay, or pulling something from someone. And last one is Shikhara, peak, or ordering something, queen, king, sort of. Okay, so these are first 10 Asamyukta Hastas. Now let's learn Samyukta Hastas. First 10 Samyukta Hastas. Anjali, like Namaste, greetings. Kapota is like coconut, greetings again, and auspicious offerings. Karkata is get together, a mob or like people are getting together. Swastika is pure sign, or sometimes it is used to show denial or disagreement. or imprisonment. Okay. Swastika, dola, is like resting, lazy attitude. So first 5 are Anjali, Kapota, Karkata, Swastika, dola. Pushpaputa. Pushpaputa is used to offer something, or to drink something through, eat something through. Okay. Pushpaputa. Utsanga. Utsanga is shown for house, or like I'm looking for something. Pushpaputa. Utsanga. Shivalinga. Shivalinga is a god in Hinduism called Shiva, Shankar. Ka Vardhana and Kartari Swastika. These are the first 10. Kataka Vardhana are pair of flowers or some offerings, and Kartari Swastika is used to show the creepers or hair locks or some flower offerings. Okay, so these are first 10 Asamyukta Hastas and Samyukta Hastas. Hope you learned something and stay tuned for another lesson. Bye and a happy sign language day.